to show you how to do my makeup for my Princess Allura cosplay. Pretty simple, straight to the point video. As you can see, I'm barefaced. I don't have anything on other than moisturizer. So without further ado, I will have everything that I used in the description box down below, and I will have links to some of the items that I purchased on Amazon. And yeah, this is how I do my Princess Allura makeup. Enjoy. Oh, and these contacts are from TTYI. I can't remember the name of the site, but that's where these are from. I actually don't even remember what the name of these contacts are. But yeah, so if I remember or if I can find it, then I will link them in the description box down below.
Okay, so to start off, I am like no makeup expert. I do like the very basics of makeup in real life. But to start off, I'm using this Clown White face makeup cream type of deal, and that is going to be on my eyebrows. And I just follow my regular eyebrows and how they look. I'm not awesome enough to be able to like block out my eyebrows and create my own eyebrows and stuff like that. So this is how I do it, and this is the easiest way. And this stuff, once it goes on, it stays on. You don't really have to worry about it smearing or anything like that. So I really like this product. I got this from Amazon, and I got the idea to use this product from Destiny Italia and watching her videos. And then just to clean up the edges, I'm just going to be using my cream-based concealer all around it, and then using a wet brush to just blend it all out, and it actually helps clean up the edges really, really well. So it works for me. So before I apply my eyeshadow, I apply primer, and this is the Too Faced eyeshadow primer. I think it's like called Shadow Insurance or something like that. It's just the one I have on hand, so that is the one I'm going to be using, and I've had that for like ever. I don't know. Eyeshadow primer is like a hit or miss. I prefer it because I personally believe it just holds your makeup a little bit longer. For my eyes, I'm just using the Colourpop Color Shock Pigment in Slave to Pink. I think that's what it's called. I don't really know. But I apply this wet. So essentially I just dampen my brush and then apply it in the product and apply it all over my lid. It's more vibrant, even though it is a vibrant and very pigmented color alone. I just love the way that it looks when you apply it with a wet brush. Okay, so I totally goofed here. I normally apply foundation first and then my eyeshadow, but I don't know, it's whatever. Everyone messes up. So I'm just using my Fenty foundation, and I believe it is 430. That's the number I am in, is 430, and just applying that all over my face. And then I take some of the foundation and the same brush that I used to apply the concealer and blend it out on my eyebrows. I use that to apply it to the area on my eyebrows as well. That way I don't get any of the foundation on my actual eyebrows and everything and have to redo them. I try to minimize me fixing stuff as much as possible, and also I'm lazy. So this is how I get around that issue. So for Allura's Altean Marks, I'm going to be using a Mehron Paradise Aqua paint. This is a water activated body paint. What I have is a refillable tin. I got it off of Amazon for $7 in the color light pink. And as you can see, like, you do get some pigmentation with it dry, but it's made to be used wet, or applied wet at least. And I just freehand the Altean Marks. The cool thing about this product is that once it's dry, it stays in place. It won't budge, anything like that, like it won't smear. However, it is very easy to kind of clean up if you mess up or you don't like where you put your marks. You can just take a Q-tip or like a wet cloth and wipe it off completely and then start over. So I really like this, and I would definitely recommend it. It's a great product to have, and it's very the refillable tins are very convenient to carry around for conventions. So apparently I didn't film myself putting on my blush, and I used the Colourpop lipstick and winked, and then applied the Fenty Gloss Bomb on top for my lips, and that is all she wrote.